Bullard Hunting Club. Biggest doe of the biggest buck of the season we done killed this year. December 31st, almost New Year's. Nice sized buck. Uncle Bella, we went to his spot. You know, nice sized buck. Buck shots all day, 12 gauge. Don't let it think it's a joke. And then we got Uncle Bud over there. That's a real hunter though, you know. But then again, you got me. You got nephew. On the Chevys all day. Chevrolet trucks everywhere, as you can see. Chevy's over there. Chevy right there. We got lady friend. We got Kendra Bullard. 7point. 7, cuz. You can put a ring on that. You can put a ring on that. 7 point. 7 point. Smile for the camera. Hey, Bullet boy. Biggest buck of my lifetime. Me and Maul Bird. 12 gauge, buck shots all day.
You know what happened? What? Listen, he gonna bring shotguns to the rock on the scope off. So they put him in my spot. So I had to go where open that, put him in the closed in spot. He went out there blowing his damn grunt and turned the bleed over.